class. I am your new English teacher Aditi Day. So, I am going to do the revision today of English language which you have read in your previous class beta. So, today my topic is capitalization. Capitalization means using capital letters. So, when we begin any sentence, we can use capital letters. You all know this is the basic of English language, that we use capital letters while starting the sentence. And when we write anybody's name, or it is we use capital letters in proper noun. Proper noun, you all know, it is a proper name of particular person, place or thing. Like this, in many other ways also we use capital letters while writing the building or monument's name, like the Taj Mahal, we use capital letters. Any religious book like the Gita or the Bible, we use capital letters while writing this. The starting is with capital T or capital B. Okay. So, today's my topic is capitalization, in which I am going to teach you how you can use capital letters while writing in your English language beta. Okay. So, go through the topic. Okay, let's start capitalization. Class, today I am going to do the revision of English language, in which I am taking the topic capitalization. So today's date is 18/3/21, and capitalization, this is the normal term in English grammar. Capitalization means using the capital letters. So there are some rules to use the capital letters. First is, begin a sentence with a capital letter. Means always when we start a sentence in English grammar, we all know that we have to write it in capital letter beta. So this is the sentence. This is my first medal in sports. So this one is correct and this one is wrong. So why it is correct? Because when the sentence is beginning, we written T in capital, na? And in this we have written T in small, so it is wrong statement, and this one is correct statement. So begin a sentence with a capital letter. Next, second is start proper nouns with a capital letter. Proper noun, you all have read in the previous class, common noun and proper noun. Common noun is commonly names are used for, like this, man, country, city and book. These are common names. And proper names for man is Aditya and Michael. Country, India, Japan. So we use capital A for the name of a person and capital M, and for the name of a country, India, so it is written in capital I, and Japan, capital J. So like this we complete all this: city, Lucknow, Mumbai, book, Bible. Come to the third rule. Begin the name of days, months, festivals with capital letters. Means when we write the name of a day, month or festival, we can write it into capital like this. If it is given in the mid of the sentence, we can write like this: we shall play our match on Sunday. So Sunday, it is written in capital S. Next, it rains here hard in July and August. July and August is the name of the month, so it is written in capital letters. So J is in capital and A is in capital. Next is, we shall enjoy a lot on Diwali. In this, we shall enjoy a lot on Diwali. Diwali is a festival, you all know. So D is written in capital in the name of the festival beta. Come to the next page for more explanation. So we also use capital letters when we use abbreviations. Abbreviations means it is the short form of a word. So SBI. SBI, you all know, it is the name of a bank. SBI. It is written in small s, small b, small I. That's why it is wrong. And when we write it into the capital S, capital B, capital I, it is correct. SBI is in the full form, it is State Bank of India. Na? Some other examples are IPL, USA, LIC. IPL is used for the cricket. It is Indian Premier League. It is in the shortly in the abbreviation form. It is written like this, IPL. So you can write it like this. Capital USA, United States of America. So U is in capital, S and A. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. In this, LIC is written in capital letter. For the next rule, use capital letters while writing the name of organization. World Health Organization. So it is written in capital. W is in capital, H is in capital and O is in capital. Like this, some other organizations, Red Cross Society. Next is write the names of buildings, monuments always in capital letters. So some of the historical monuments are like this, Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal. So first letter is written in capital. So always remember that, write the names of buildings or monuments always in capital letters, beta. Next is seventh rule, capitalize the name of religious books. We have some religious books. You all know about the Bible, the Gita. So it will be written in capital letter. Always remind it. Okay. So T is in capital and B is in capital in the Bible. Next is the Gita. T is in capital and G is in capital. So write it like this. So it is grammatically correct, beta. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this topic, capitalization, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. So go through this chapter and see the video one more time. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, beta. Thank you.